So we've got to go to the market, pick up some really good crab that's in Hua Hin, and also we've got to look for some herbs. So this little tuk-tuk's going to take us, right?
Yeah,
After you.
the Khong Tây market.
What goes in the curry paste?
The curry paste.
Lemongrass for sure.
Yeah, lemongrass.
And ginger.
Yeah, garanga.
Oh, so this is it?
Yeah,
This, all of this?
Yes.
Chef Munchie, that crab there.
Yeah, this
is
crab.
that from Hua Hin?
Yes. We use the meat from the curry.
So now it's time to get ready and start cooking. This is how easy it is. You take a pestle and mortar and you put in a little bit of palm sugar, some chilies, I've got some dried and also the fresh, and we're going to pound this up and make the most incredible curry paste. You need a lot of lemongrass, and the shallots give a really nice sweetness to it, but it does take a long time to really pound that down. And to help it get into that paste, I'm squeezing in some lime juice, and here I go, making it from scratch, which is really so traditional all over Thailand because it makes each curry taste a little bit unique just by adding something a little different. By the time we end up with this beautiful silky paste, it's got a lot of heat to it, but it's going to go in my curry. It's all ready to go. And when that is added with coconut milk, it is beautiful. This wok is on fire. Look at the flame on this. It's where I actually started learning to cook on a huge flame like this in Hong Kong. And you can do anything on a wok like this. So in goes the oil and then the curry paste. You want to burn off and get the aromatic flavors really developing here. And you can only do that by frying it. So I'm going to get that all sizzled, beautifully done, and then goes the coconut milk. This you want to add a little bit at a time, bringing it to a little bit of a boil and reduction. And to that, we're going to add the crab. I'm putting the heat back on, and there's nothing like a fire that a wok can do. This is the best way to cook a curry. After I've done that for just a couple of minutes, we're ready to add some more coconut milk. I'm going to put in this beautiful crab. We're going to get that flavor, and then those leaves, the fresh basil leaves that will give it a fragrant finish to it. And that's the lump crab, which is just from the head, and it's really beautiful texture. And it doesn't need to be cooked. It's all done. We just pull it together with those ribbons of basil, give it a little stir with a tiny bit more curry paste and a tiny bit more coconut milk, and we're ready to serve it up and enjoy a crab curry that really is made once you've done that curry paste in a few minutes. And you can make this curry any kind of looseness or however thick you want it. I'm just getting a little bit more in there just to fill that bowl. And this is the House of Smooth Curry, a fabulous way to have delicate seafood in a hot, spicy curry. I hope you enjoy. I hope you can try this at home. And now it's ready for us to sit down and enjoy this beautiful, rich, creamy curry. Just add it with a few more basil leaves and we're ready to go. If you want, you can take one of these shells of the crab and deep fry it. A few noodles rather than rice that go on the side. And the crab is going to be deep fried until it's just crunchy and smooth and it's a nice decoration. And you can also, because it's a soft shell crab, you can bite into that. Beautiful.
Oh, that smells good. Khop khun krap. Chef Montry, thank you so much for showing me the market. I'm amazed that all the times I come to Thailand, there's still something new and there's another taste, there's another flavor. The pandan leaf and the rice today was an eye-opener. What's your favorite curry here at the House of Smooth Curry?
My mom curry is the chicken curry with the minced chicken and banana blossom. I rice because my mom is teach me how to cook, and when we young, and we love too much for this curry.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try all of it, especially this crab curry, which is our collaboration here at the House of Smooth Curry. So if you want to come down to the Athenee Hotel, it's available all month. It's a brilliant collaboration and I can't thank you enough. Thank you, Chef
ครับ
Montri.
Thank you ครับ